Welcome to this tutorial on how to sell options on Webull. Selling options can be a great way to generate income and hedge your investments. But it requires a solid understanding of the process and the risks involved. First, you need to open a Webull account and fund it. Webull is a commission-free trading platform that allows you to buy and sell stocks, options, and other securities. Once your account is open and funded, you can start selling options. To sell options on Webull, navigate to the trading screen and select the stock you want to sell options on. Then click on the Options tab and select the type of option you want to sell. Either a call or a put. A call option gives the buyer the right to buy the underlying stock at the strike price, while a put option gives the buyer the right to sell the underlying stock at the strike price. When you sell an option, you are obligated to buy or sell the underlying stock at the strike price if the option is exercised. Next, choose the strike price and expiration date of the option. The strike price is the price at which the underlying stock can be bought or sold, and the expiration date is the last day the option can be exercised. You also need to decide how many contracts you want to sell. One contract is equal to 100 shares of the underlying stock. After you have selected the stock, option type, strike price, expiration date, and number of contracts, you can enter your order. You can choose to sell the option at the current market price or set a limit price. It is essential to have a clear understanding of the risks involved in selling options. When you sell an option, you are taking on an obligation to buy or sell the underlying stock at the strike price if the option is exercised. This can result in significant losses if the stock price moves against you. To manage these risks, it is crucial to have a solid trading plan in place, including position sizing, risk management, and exit strategies. You should also thoroughly research the underlying stock and market conditions before selling options. In conclusion, selling options on Webull can be a great way to generate income and hedge your investments. But it requires a solid understanding of the process and the risks involved. By following these steps and practicing good risk management, you can successfully sell options on Webull and achieve your trading goals.